Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the number and a scientific calculator ready. Start now. First, make sure your calculator is in scientific mode and the display is clear. Enter the exponent value exactly. Use the minus sign for negatives, for example, -0. 5. Once done, don't press equals yet. Locate the EX or X key on the keypad. If your device has a shift or second key, press that first to reveal EX. You're set to compute the power. You'll now perform the operation. After entering the exponent, press the EX key. On some models, this is a shifted function, so press Shift then EX. Once pressed, the calculator applies Euler's base to your exponent. This computes e raised to that value. If your model only shows exp for scientific notation, use the inverse of ln or the calculator's e constant button instead. Make sure compound expressions are wrapped in parentheses. Press equals to get the numeric result and verify the display. You finish by checking the result for reasonableness. Recall E approximately 2. 71,828, so E2 should be about 7. 389, this helps catch entry errors. Once done, store or record the value. If you computed a compound exponent, make sure you use parentheses, for example E3-1/2. If the calculator shows an error or overflow, clear the entry, power cycle the device, and re-enter the exponent carefully. Often that fixes miskeyed signs or mode problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.